Hello guys, welcome back, and here is again guys me, but of another exercise, and this is called crab pose yoga, crab or alimango. And I will put in the description below guys the benefits of crab pose yoga. I gonna have to do this for only 3 minutes, so I have to start the timer. Tingnan natin kung ma-straight ko siya 3 minutes or babagsak ang katawan ko. If you are a beginner or just trying this, don't do too much. Just start like 10 counts only or whatever na kaya ng katawan mo. So let's start the timer for only 3 minutes. Crab yoga or crab pose yoga. The position is here like this, and lift your body. The benefits of this is especially good in your shoulders or arms. You cannot walk like that, crab. It's difficult you could walk crab like a crab. So just stay in this position. You can do like that. Ako guys, so I move my body. Ilang minutes na? Oh my goodness, thanks. So, just sit slowly. Do not make it quick. I feel my shoulders is the heavy one. So guys, try it. That do not do like what I'm doing 3 minutes. Kasi baka hindi mo maunat ang iyong arms. So guys, once again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Oh, my arms, I cannot move. Oh. Chuk! So, yes guys, I'm not doing drama, but here, I feel here. So guys, see you on my next vlog. Hindi na ako makagalaw, guys. Yoga pa more. Yoga pa more. Hindi na ako makagalaw. Oh my God.